Today class we will discuss about exercise 1.2 relation. So basic definition for relation. So what is relation? Relation is nothing but Cartesian product of subset of two non-empty sets. The simple definition for relation is nothing but Cartesian product of subset of two non-empty sets. So write down the relations for let A and B any two non-empty set. A and B any two non-empty set. A relation R from A to B is defined as a subset of Cartesian product of A and B. A subset of Cartesian product of A and B. So it is called relation. That is relations basic notations are contained in subset of A class B is a relation. So for example is let A and B into sets of S is A into set. S is 1, 2, 3, 4 is a sets. Then the relation is defined as relation R equal to 1, 3 or 2, 4 or 3, 2 or 1, 4. It is called relation. Relation is nothing but subset of Cartesian product of given set. S is 1, 2, 3, 4. S means S cross S. That is called S cross S mean. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. It is called relation. Clear that? After that, type of relations. What is the type of relations? The type of relation is nothing but three types. First one is reflexive, second one is symmetric, third one is transitive. Type first one, let S be any non-empty set. S is any non-empty set or be a relation on S. R be a relation on S. R be a relation on S is meaning that R is a subset of S. First one is reflexive. Reflexive is nothing but A belongs to R. Any element taking relation R for all A belongs to S. It is satisfies reflexive. Satisfies the element condition. It is called reflexive. Second one is symmetric. Any two element belongs to R. A, B belongs to R, which implies B, A belongs to R. Satisfies this condition, and the relation is called symmetry relation. Third one is A, B, C belongs to R. Any three element, take any three element in here. Yes, A, B, C belongs to R, which implies A, C also belongs to R. Satisfies this condition. It is called transitive relation. Both three are basic relation. These three conditions are basic relation. One is basic relation. Then fourth one is equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Equivalence relation is nothing but all the relation R satisfies both conditions. Reflexive, symmetric, transitive. It is called equivalent relation. See that? Let S be any set. S be any set. A relation S is said to be equivalence relation if it is reflexive. First one is satisfies reflexive relation, and the second one is satisfies symmetric relation. Third one is satisfies transitive relation. So three relations are satisfied. It is called equivalent relation. This is a basic definition for relation and type of relation. After that, you see the problem, how to apply the definition for problem.